Hello, it's Andrew here at Life on Pig Row on what is a really hot summer's day. In fact, it's so hot the bees are swarming just a couple of gardens away. We can probably hear them just in the background. I'm just going to do a quick film today, and the film is really about what's going on now, and it's really hot. So there's some common sense things that you need to do. Never ever at this time of year garden without sunscreen, sun cream or sunblock. It's up to you. You should know your skin. Go for the highest factor that you can tolerate. Go for a cream that's good for your skin, and don't spend too much time out in the sun. Get in the shade, have a drink, come back out. Always keep yourself with plenty of fluids. And there's another basic thing as well. It's a hat. It does wonders. It does have to look perfect. As you see, my face is now shaded. Now, I think that most gardeners forget. Most gardeners buy wellies, don't we? We are more good welly. But the problem is, when our wellies go, we can do another thing with them. We can cut them down because they don't go on the heel. And these are perfect for a summer's day for gardening. Not Crocs, just a cut down welly. And the reason for that is if you wear a full welly, you're going to burn your feet because the rubber heats up really quickly in the sunshine. So another thing is sunglasses. Protect your eyes. Don't be silly. It's not about looking cool, it's about protecting your eyes from UV. So some basic things. Make sure you're wearing sunscreen. Make sure you're wearing a sun hat. Make sure you're wearing sunglasses, and make sure you're wearing something on your feet that means you're not going to burn your feet. And finally, you'll notice I'm in white. And the reason for that is it reflects the sun. It deflects it back out. And I don't heat up as fast. If I was wearing a black t-shirt or a shirt that was dark coloured, I'd be dripping in sweat by now. And finally, last one, have a bottle of water nearby. Put it in the shade. If you feel a bit thirsty, don't think I'll wait a few seconds and I'll have it when I've done this job. Get up, have a drink. Some basic and simple ways to keep yourself safe. So until next time, it's goodbye from me at Life on Pig Row, and see you next Saturday. Bye bye.